Chuck on the matic, Versace jacket, rush off to Balenciaga. Me happy like when I'm at it, Caesar. I'm in the parang with a Trinidadian. The Crenshaw from Nixon and normal. The Benz bar conflict, me turn that girl in a...
Hey guys, welcome back to Jamaican Chef Black.
Hey, you know it's a boy Henry back with another video. Anyways, as would I say, another day, another dollar. We out here. We are do it. Yeah man, as we are say, you don't know prep time, you know. Prep time. So today we just have all the comments, you see me? So the other day I did all the meds and I see how the DDG thing pop up. Dog new tune and name push. And I did a pre listen to tune, I tell you tune bad. For real. You see me? Tune bad man. Anyway, a long time did I taking DDG thing still. My brother see me one day and say, oh, check out that youth thing. I'm going to go boom and check it out. And from that, like, I just get hooked on the dog thing, you see me? So, boy, thing bad. Tune them. Even tune boy, when they have when I'm old up. I don't know if you hear it. That tune there bad, man, I tell you. And do it. How do it with again, Queen. Yeah, mama, I tell us that tune lit, brother. You see me? So anyway, we're there upon the ground, we are all it. We out here, you see me? DDG, big up your bad self, you see me? Oh, DDG. Man, show me anything I'm watch on my man black and say, man, the man think differently one at a time. Start that, try to come on and see how black and everything there. Yeah man, I don't know, it's a prep time because come like meds time, we're there, we just have all our vibes, you see me and things, so people, we just there prep up the meat. Right now we are prep some fried chicken and see me and some herb roast. So it will depend right now. The reason why I do all that now is want to prick the chicken like that now. It's like I don't know if I'm supposed to tell you already in a video before the season get to soak right in the bone of the meat. So that I key point it. As I say back for the EDG thing again. As we say, what would I say about it again, dog? You see me, the dog thing lit, bro. You see me, even the brat thing where you hear me talk about. I dog, I get the thing from dog. It's like more over there and we just have some meds, you see me. Yeah man, bro, God, just when the meat come in, I just give me the surface meat when we get for season, you see me. Yeah man, every meat I may do the season and all the meat, you see me. Man. So we right now prep the chicken them. I done prep them chicken and now I just go so boom and wash them in some vinegar, then put them for drain. Then we get ready for the season them, you see me? So that would be like a daily routine for me. So how you think go when I reach in, I reach our work like say probably say 6 o'clock. Next chef reach before me still, so reach our work. I'm already put on the breakfast. I just come finish like all the steam veg and thing. Yeah. Then we are prepare lunch. That'll bring me up till about 10 o'clock. It's my time 11 o'clock the latest. Then after I go to boom and take a look at breather. Then prep time I carry back. For 3 hours or more. Yeah. So as I show you this that'll be roast cut. The roast cut. You cut the chicken off, you get your any type of roast or your grill. You get out of the same chicken as me. So my boy are forward in.
Real Gina chicken.
Go on if you go on, man. I fool a take man for boy.
Yeah, the fool man
Is it
talk
me?
about Gina.
So a boy go on, man. Boy go on like you want to take man feed that boy. Where the boy see me and say, oh, yeah, the Gina chicken, yeah, the Gina chicken. I say me and I tell me, say, oh, a Gina in a chicken, a Gina in a chicken. I say, oh, boy, go here, because you're not true Jamaican. I don't know what man mean. When man means a man at the G. You see me? The man say, yo, but a Gina in a chicken. I say, alright, then man at the C in a chicken. You see me? And you have the P in a pork. You see me? Because you the thing for do with pork or wet meat. You see me? So I say, alright, dog, you have the P in a pork. You see me? Say boy go on more while man. I'm my next chef my work with, you see me? Yeah man, alright, like cool. Like basically what I do, like say all but I prep like all 7 or 8 bag of chicken a day. Some of the time 6 bag. Depending upon the day. So three bag would I go in the oven. After I give me 6 tray, so that'd be 5 chicken to a tray. As I said before, prep time and maids time. So we did there and we just a prep and we just a make. While we did there prep, we did there listen to a tune, you see me? So when I time I forgot just try find a local tune for go on maids band. See me? So anyways, so for 3 bag of chicken that roughly take me like about an hour to cut. I less than an hour. Depends on how I cut it. If I cut in a fry or I cut in a bake. So yeah. So if I cut 7 bag of chicken that basically take me like 2 hours. Or 2 hours 15 minutes almost. Yeah. So the fry cut we are dealing with right now as I can see. Never a video on my show now. How to do the fry cut still. So fry cut me I do right now. Cause the menu for tomorrow a herb roast and some fried chicken and some stew pork. So I put me a wait for the youth to come and now for me get to season it up. I'm notice from already when I get some my pork them the pork them a come big. Man I understand. I never really know why still but we get some big pork so we have to recut back the pork them. Pork them we have get fatty so. So after I'm done this, what I'm done right here so now I have the steamed veg for go prep for do for breakfast the next day. So best dressed chicken we have features too, right? You know, say best dressed chicken alone we use right there. Best dressed. As in say best dressed are the best dressed. So let me say. Best dressed chicken we use. Best dressed chicken, yeah. Best dressed chicken. Like a commercial me have best dressed chicken. Best dressed. Yeah man, the next thing me have to get DDG and props for it, see me. Him a do it. Him really a do it, you see me. Him motivate the other youths want to rate with him. Now go around the thing. Cause see, the man goes a boom and drop him mansion. Renovate the mansion. Because I take in the dog things and renovate the mansion and then after a while, you see me, I go to boom and sell it back and buy back the next mansion. Tear it down, renovate. So it's a good business plan that see dog have been head on him body, you see me. It's not all about the fame and thing, you see me. So right now, just take the dog as still, you see me. DDG thing large as me I say already. Big up yourself. We out here. We are do it, you see me. Right now just take the dog as still, you see me. Alright, each place would have like 2 chefs or 3. So meanwhile one prep the meat, prep the chicken, and next one the outside that prep like breakfast thing. Or boil the peas, etc. So after we done cook, somebody come in prep the meat, season onion. Then we'll have one person deal with like clean up and then wash the fryer. The fryer wash every day. Like wash the fryer every day. So wash the fryer every day. Yeah man, the fryer wash every day, and then the oven for clean down, and then the oven wash every Friday. Degrease down and thing, take out and degrease down. What that pork again? How many then? A pork to get? A beef they get to the give me pork. Give them pork. A pork means something that give them pork. When they look big, let me cut up them there. Pork they look big brother, but cut back them there again. When they get pork them from the butcher then come like you have to feed them work again. You have to cut the thing then deep, you have to cut them back again. You know that take back some time out, and when he finish, he said me I go do my to get ready to go to my yard, I have to cut pork. I'll leave the pork comes out. Yeah man, I will do some little seasoning and also one of DDG ever made some of them tuna, but you can take in some Jamaican tuna and mix it up. When we mix from some music, prep time music. Everybody dance! Yeah man, I know I'm see your Jamaica is not a real place, but I choose still gotcha. Gloves, extra gloves, you see me? Extra gloves. Yeah man, as I can see, I saw what they call the chicken, you see me? So you don't know if you're rubbing the chicken well to incorporate the seasons on it. Yeah, season up the fried chicken, yeah. Are you ready? Good things on it. Cut so much fried chicken then. This is about 4 bags of chicken. That's another 6. That's about 3 bags. Oh, they are made some tune. You see me, I know I think already. Another day, another dollar. We out here, we are do it. Cause a genocide thing. So this is like my typical routine every day. Prep time. Yeah, this me do like every day. So every meal, we season. When the meat come, I may season it. Yeah, man, as well as it. Up like the internet, everything connect. The link I said. Yeah, make some show, that's it. Up like the internet. Prep time. Prep time. Yes, I see something there, bro. But I see something there, bro. Says man. So, yeah. So I know prep time, So, just comment down below. Just so I know what should be the next topic. Prep time. For the bone. You know, it's season to the bone. So for entry, say it's season to the bone. Understand what I say? Yeah, man, remember. Just make me know what the next topic.